Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Today, our market price action seems to be very resilient. The global markets were bleeding, but we fell oddly 20-30 points. Markets were resilient until 2:45 p.m. But between 2:45 p.m. and 3:15 p.m., the Bank Nifty fell nearly 150 points and Nifty fell about 50 points. So that is probably because tomorrow is a public holiday, but global markets are functioning and the globally markets are very negative. Just look at the European markets. And for the last 6 weeks, Europe markets have not gone anywhere and they are continuously falling. 1 or 2 days some recovery happening, then after that continue to fall, and today also the European markets fell more than 0.5%. So because the globally markets are falling, tomorrow is a public holiday, so the people will not like to carry positions home. So those who are having long positions with a profit, so they started booking the profits, so that dragged the market down. And today, all the index heavyweights like Reliance, HDFC Bank, Infosys, so they all fell. And all the major banks, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, Kotak Bank, so everything has fallen. But surprisingly, the markets were held on because of non-index heavyweights like Titan, Mahindra & Mahindra, ITC, Power Grid, NTPC, and so on. So the broader markets were good, but it was only the index heavyweights that came under selling pressure. Reliance and HDFC Bank put together, they have 25% weightage in Nifty, and both the stocks were very weak since morning. Particularly, HDFC Bank was very weak. But despite that, until 2:45 p.m., the Bank Nifty was looking okay, mainly because of PSU banks. So I think today is the day of PSU banks. The private sector banks have done very badly. Reliance and HDFC Bank alone contributed for about 75% fall in Nifty, and then Infosys and Bharti Airtel contributed for another 25 points. A 100-point fall in Nifty came just because of these 4 stocks. So once again, it's an index heavyweight selling. The broader markets were doing well. And uncertainty because of, I always say, any Indian public holiday is actually not good for the markets. However, option sellers are hoping the time value in their favor. And today, the first day of special session of Parliament, and nothing has happened actually. When I say nothing, nothing related to stock market. When Prime Minister started speaking in the Parliament, the markets went up. I don't know why. And when he finished the speech, the market started falling. But not very big, very small only. Today afternoon, Europe markets opened lower. That dragged the US futures also lower. But our markets were resilient. And this global cues going to be very bad. But still, Nifty shot up 1,000 point in last 10-11 trading sessions. It did not even fall 100 point today. But looking at the open interest, so the people are taking a bearish view, at least for the next few trading sessions. And we have only 2 more trading sessions for Nifty weekly expiry and only 1 day for Bank Nifty expiry. And calls have been aggressively sold from 20,200 call option and above. 20,200, 250, 20,300, 350, 20,400, all the way. And there was some unwinding in put options also. And Bank Nifty, one disappointing thing is that it closed slightly below 46,000. I thought some meaningful correction may come only after Bank Nifty taking out all-time high. It went just about 100 point nearer to the all-time high, but started falling. And Bank Nifty 46,000 call and above calls, like 46,000 to 46,500, all the way, there was a huge writing. So, looking at the option seller's point of view, the markets are bearish, but these people will make, even if the market reverses, these people will make money because the premiums will collapse because of a time value. So that is the hope. So even 46,500 call was trading around 60 rupees, 65 rupees today morning, but it came and closing around 12, 13 rupees only. And tomorrow, that is day after tomorrow, it's likely to go to zero. So unless some big surprise happens. But I don't think that there is going to be any surprise thing happening. If anything happens, that will happen only on Wednesday night. There is a Fed announcement. So if at all we are expecting something, we can expect something only on Thursday, which is an expiry day. But markets are jittery in US ahead of the Fed meeting. Although the people are more or less sure that Fed is not going to increase the rates, but they are expecting some bad comments from Fed chairman. There is nothing much to talk today, so it is time to enjoy because tomorrow is a holiday. So we will discuss on Wednesday morning. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.